And here's a table psych with Double Take. And was put on May 13th and July 6th, 2001. Full rental from Hollywood Video, I believe, so. Note those DVDs also full rental from Hollywood Video stuff, so. Yeah. This film has
coming soon to theaters.
following previous after volunteers in Motion Picture Association America.
Who can really say what it is that brings strangers together? Some relationships you can't even put into words. They just make you feel good. Other relationships come together through cataclysmic circumstances. In a city celebrated for its diversity.
So this is Miami, huh? They can keep it.
The least likely people often meet through random acts of fate.
Got you some coffee? How do you, like it?
Light and sweet.
But no matter how great the differences that keep us apart,
We don't shoot somebody soon, I'm gonna forget how.
I'm sorry my husband's such an idiot.
Do you think someone's trying to kill him?
God, I hope so.
there's always something bigger that brings us together.
I need a missile.
Me so very hard to get.
Well, I want you to try. Really hard to get a missile.
From the director of Get Shorty,
Here are the
Men in
films that
Black.
I've watched / rewatched.
You give me a
I will watch / rewatch.
By reason of stupidity.
I'll give you your wallet.
We're not supposed to carry guns.
Well, we're not supposed to drink on the job either.
Tim Allen, Rene Russo.
Just let it go.
Big Trouble.
Snake, let's get the hell out of here. I think I hear one of them silent little alarms.
Give me the keys.
Now available on video and DVD.
The following previous after volunteers in Motion Picture Association America.
Are you ready for the truth? I believe comic book heroes walk the earth. I believe you're one of those individuals. I'm just an ordinary man.
No, you're not. Why do you keep saying that?
It's hard for many to believe there are extraordinary things inside themselves.
Bruce Willis.
Don't worry. I'm telling you what.
Samuel
It's all right to be afraid, David. Because this part won't be like a comic book. Bad is winning. It's time for someone like you. Unbreakable.
I bet my dad could beat up your dad.
Following previous after volunteers in Motion Picture Association America.
Who elected you leader of this outfit? Well, Pete, I figured it should be the one with the capacity for abstract thought.
Okay. I'm with you fellas.
To get to a hidden fortune, Ulysses Everett McGill and his friends will do anything.
Say, any you boys, Smitty?
But they're about to get off on the wrong track.
Man, we're in a tight spot. We got 4 days to get to that treasure.
$1 million.
Main point two. From the Coen brothers,
the Academy Award-winning creators of Fargo.
Ain't you gonna introduce us, Pete?
I've seen them first.
Comes the movie critics are calling the best film of the year.
Them sirens loved him up and turned him into a horny toad.
You sure just dumbered a bag of hammers.
A freewheeling, over-the-top comedy.
Hey, what line of work you in, George?
Nominated for 2 Golden Globe Awards, including Best Picture and winner Best Actor George Clooney.
I got the answers. I'm bona fide.
George Clooney, John Turturro, with John Goodman.
Boys, if you just stick with me, believe me, I got a plan.
And stay out of the wall.
Oh, brother, where art thou?
You ever been with a woman?
I gotta get the family farm back before I can start thinking about that.
Now on video and DVD. Following previous sets of volunteers and motion pictures of America.
Buddy's a salesman with a great track record.
They love us. Get the side contract in front of me. I'm looking at it.
And life couldn't be better.
I was gonna call you.
I was gonna hold my breath. Get to Dallas.
Until one day, the unexpected happened.
Hello, I'm Abby Janello. Buying Grove Realty.
Buddy Emerald, just driving by. Saw your sign.
He wants to give me some business.
Yeah, I'll bet.
She's the first person I've ever met where I'm more worried she's gonna get tired of me.
Even when you go to a table and a guy does that like halfway thing, like he's gonna stand up. I love when guys do that.
And just when things are looking their best, a terrible secret threatens to tear them apart.
Did you have a conversation with this man?
If you don't tell her, everything out of your mouth is a lie.
Miramax Films presents
What is it that you want?
I want someone to say goodnight to.
Academy Award winner Ben Affleck,
A last call of the day. I don't have a last call of the day.
Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow,
Don't feel sorry for me. I'm happy.
I don't feel sorry for you.
Bounds.
Now available to own on video and DVD.
Gone in 60 seconds. Bring home the non-stop action, starring Nicolas Cage. And only on DVD. See behind-the-scenes footage you won't find anywhere else. Gone in 60 seconds. Now on video and DVD. Rated PG-13.
There are great things happening on ABC. Take a look.
Don't ask. Just watch. America's fantastic.
Now available from Buena Vista Interactive.
Guys, I won! Who wants to be a millionaire? Sports edition.
Okay, sports fans, now's your chance to bring home all the thrills and excitement of the big games and those one-on-one games. With hundreds of sports-themed questions in stars and only 3 lifelines to bail you out. You have what it takes to go the distance. Who wants to be a millionaire? Sports edition CD-ROM from Buena Vista Interactive. Rated E for everyone.
And now, our feature presentation.
Dead Cells and Modified Retro versions reformat for your TV.